Welcome all MNS aspirants. This is the second video. Happy Puja and hope all of you are safe. Question 31, full form of sonar or SONAR. So the correct answer is sound navigation and ranging. Question 32, find the odd one out. So among these, Goldstein would be the odd one out because all others are related to radioactivity. Then question 33, omnipresent. So antonym to omnipresent is finite, and ubiquitous, far-reaching and wide-ranging. These are synonym to omnipresent. Question 34, arteries carry blood that are filled with oxygen is the correct answer, and exception is pulmonary artery. It carries deoxygenated blood. So it is also an important question. Do remember that. Question 35. 1 gigabyte equals. So the correct answer is C. That is 10 to the power 6 kb, or 6 zeros after 1. That is. Question number 36. Antonym to retaliation would be condonation, and others are synonyms to it here. Question 37. Which of the following is example of simple-celled organism? So the correct answer is protozoa. And question 38. Who is believed to have built Konark Temple? The correct answer is Narasimha Deva I. Question 39. Assassination. Antonym would be resuscitate. And others are synonyms to assassination. Other options are synonyms. So then there's question 40. Which of the following is a noble element? So the correct answer is silver. Question 41. Teacher is to student, then nurse is to what? So the correct answer would be patient. Then adamant. Antonym to adamant would be unsure. And uncompromising, indurate and obdurate, these are synonym to adamant. Question 43. Greenhouse effect is increased by. So among these options, correct would be carbon dioxide. Question 44. Dash has won an Oscar for movie direction. So the correct answer is Satyajit Ray. And question 45. Perseverance. Synonym to perseverance would be tenacity. Others, these are lethargy, indolence, fickleness, lazy. These would be antonym to perseverance. Question 46. In DPT vaccine, P stands for pertussis, and full form of DPT as a whole is diphtheria pertussis tetanus vaccine. Question 47. Find the odd one out. So here the odd word would be square because it is simply a geometry shape, and queen, spade, diamond, these are words related to playing card. So square would be the odd one out. Question 48. The students took to heels as they saw principal. So took to heels is the idiom here, and the correct answer means the correct meaning to it would be ran away. So basically the students ran away as they saw the principal. Question 49. A moving body definitely possess. So the correct answer would be kinetic energy. Question 50. Sahil said son of Rahul is maternal uncle of my son. What's the relation of Rahul to Sahil? So the correct answer would be father-in-law. Now question 51. Raj was in doldrums after the quarrel he had with his sister. So the correct meaning to in doldrums would be he was in low spirits. That is the meaning basically of it. Question 52. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? So correct answer here is hydrogen and ozone, water vapor, nitrous oxide. These are greenhouse gases. Question 53. What is the name of mission to study sun in 2019-2020 by ISRO? So the correct answer is Aditya. To be more specific, it is Aditya L1 mission. Question 54. It isn't easy. It's a Gordian knot. So the meaning to Gordian knot is difficult job. Question 55. The richest source of vitamin D from food is, so the correct answer is cod liver oil, and the source of it is fish. Okay. So question 56. The summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir government is, so the correct answer is Srinagar, and the winter capital is Jammu. Question 57. Hanging fire. The meaning to this is going on slowly. Now question 58. Safety matches contain. So safety matches basically contain phosphorus. Okay. Question 59. IFSC is the short form of, so IFSC is the short form of Indian Financial System Code. Question 60. He is so furious that he would go through fire and water to revenge himself on his foe. Foe is basically means enemy. Okay. So the meaning to go through fire and water would be undergo any risk. That is, he is so furious that he would undergo any risk to revenge himself on his foe.